Just listen to the Fal.ai team on latent space. What happens when you see every single user wastefully deploying the same model? You build a $100 million business that just raised a $125 million Series C. Fal started as a Python runtime, saw everyone torching GPUs with inefficient Stable Diffusion 1.5, and pivoted hard into optimized generative media. Their growth story is the history of the models. SDXL brought their first million in revenue, but when the Flux models dropped, they jumped from 2 million to 10 million in revenue in 1 month. They go deep on the whole timeline, from the rise of LoRa's to video models like VO3, even calling out SD 2.1 as a flop. The technical depth here is insane. Their edge, raw performance engineering. They write custom CUDA kernels that turn a 10-second image generation into 2 seconds, because early on, basic code was only getting 30% of the GPU's power. Their head of engineering is literally a core Python language developer. This is their DNA. Today, 30% of their workload involves LoRa's, and they've built their own multi-cloud stack managing over 10,000 H100s. Comfy UI gets a shout out too. Their best insight, choosing media over LLMs. Why? Because the killer app for language models is search, and as they put it, you are competing against Google at the end. So they chose a net new market with no incumbents. They dropped startup ideas like Scale AI for video data, and their interview question for a cracked engineer: write a sparse attention kernel with FP8 on Blackwell. If you know what that means, they want you. A masterclass from people who are genuinely obsessed. You can tell they'd be doing this even if it wasn't their job. Link below.